Welcome. My name's Kevin Mohan, founder of CodeBreeze Solutions right here in New Haven, Connecticut, and I help small businesses grow online. I build custom websites using all raw code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, whatever I need to get the job done. I can help you with local search engine optimization or SEO. I can audit your website, tell you why it's not converting or getting customers. I can help you with hosting and support. I offer simple, transparent pricing. A business starter package is $750. The growth package is $1,500. That's a great deal. And if you need real custom dashboards, logins, ordering systems, e-commerce, then we'll talk. I also set up a CodeBreeze YouTube channel to help small businesses grow online. I do have a tutorials page on the CodeBreeze website, so check that out. All kinds of videos show you how to set up your own Google business profile, how to audit your own website, how to get more Google reviews. So check that out. Just a little about me. I've been an entrepreneur most of my life. I've had a few jobs here and there. I've been a magician since I was a teenager. I did that full time for a few years. I owned a kitchen and bath business for 15 years. I've done some other things. I also went back to school a little bit later in life and got an AS in computer science, graduated magna cum laude. I worked really hard. I also have 4 certificates in digital marketing with Google so I can help small businesses grow online. Thanks for watching. Ready to grow your business online? Please just send me a message and we'll get the ball rolling. Thanks again.